All right, so this video, we're going to learn how to find a missing interior angle of a convex polygon. So again, convex is just our vocabulary word. So you can see this is a polygon, meaning a many-sided figure. And none of the corners are coming in. All of the corners are faced outward. So that's convex. If you had a corner faced in, it'd be called concave. And you can kind of think of that as like it creates a little cave into the polygon. Okay. So we're going to use the interior angle sum theorem again, or not theorem, but the formula again. So we have the interior angle sum is equal to 180 times n minus 2. So because I can add all of these together, but unless I know what they're all supposed to add up to, I can't tell you what's missing, right? So I need to know what are they all supposed to add up to, and then I can figure out, okay, well, this is what's left over for that missing fifth piece here, since this has 5 sides. Okay, so first, we're going to find the sum of the angles, and then we're going to use the sum to find that missing measure. So let's go ahead and plug it into our formula here. So we have the sum is equal to 180 times 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 times 180 is 540. So I know that all 5 angles have to add up to 540. That is the only option that they have for a 5-sided figure. And this is any 5-sided convex polygon. Not just this one, any one. So now I'm going to use that 540, and I'm going to add all of the angles together. They all have to add up to 540. So I have 138 plus 103 plus 105 plus 115 plus that angle x. So now if I add the 4 together that I have here, it gets me 461. So I just added 138, 103, 105, and 115, and I got 461. So now if I subtract 461 from both sides, that's just going to tell me what do I have left of the 540 that they have to add up to what do I have left over for that angle x? Sorry, I got tongue-tied there a little bit. So I have 79 degrees left over. So angle x has to be 79 degrees. All right, so we're going to do one more problem here, looking at this one. So we're going to find the measures of an interior angle and an exterior angle of a regular polygon. So this is another vocabulary word. So regular means that all the angles and all the sides are equal. So looking at this one, this is not a regular polygon, right? This is a 5-sided figure, but this side is definitely shorter than this side. All of the angles are different measures. So now when I say a regular polygon, all of the sides are equal, all of the angles are equal. So first, we want to find the sum of all the angles again. And then we want to divide that by the number of sides. That'll tell me how much each angle is. Okay, since they're all equal, I can just divide it up equally. Okay, so let's find the interior angle sum. So again, it's each and regular. You want to pay attention to the vocabulary words and what they're asking you for. So, and they're also telling me it's a hexagon, which is a 6-sided figure. They nicely told me what a hexagon means. If you weren't sure, if they didn't tell you what it was, usually you can click on explanation and you can see the basic shapes here and the number of sides that they have. You can also look up what does hexagon mean, and it'll, the internet will let you know it's a 6-sided figure. So we're going to use the interior angle sum for a 6-sided figure. So we're going to do 6 minus 2, and we're going to get 4. 4 times 180 is 720. So any 6-sided figure, not just a regular one, any 6-sided figure, as long as it's convex, meaning it doesn't cave in on itself, is 720 degrees. So now I'm going to take this for my interior angles, and I'm going to divide it evenly because each angle is exactly the same. So they're all divided up evenly into 120 degree angles. All right, so that's each interior angle. They also asked me to find each exterior angle. So one thing to remember, this makes it really easy. No matter how many sides we're talking about, it doesn't matter what shape we're talking about, they always add up to 360 on the exterior. And you can kind of think of a circle because it's 360 degrees all the way around, okay? So it doesn't matter how many sides it has. You're just going to take that 360 for each exterior angle, and you're going to divide by 6, okay? So 360 divided by 6 equals 60 degrees. And if you notice, I fixed some of the labels here because this just said each angle. So I wanted to make sure you knew that this was each interior angle was 120. Each exterior angle is 60 degrees. Okay, because they're asking us for both pieces here. So this is how you find interior and exterior angles using the angle sum formula for a convex polygon. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.